Hi guys, in this video I just wanted to talk about a property that we purchased in Battersea. We purchased a one-bedroom apartment for $237,000. We reconfigured this apartment into a two-bedroom apartment. After 6 months we had it revalued. I'm just going to take you through the floor plans of this property. This particular property was only 46 square meters. So we have the kitchen on the right hand side, bedroom, and then living room on the left hand side. We have a bathroom and then a storage area in between. So the first photo you're seeing is the living room. We're usually looking for the kind of living space to be at least 15 square meters. That seems to work really well. So this one was actually a good size, 14.89 square meters. When I went to view the property, I felt, we could get a kitchen in there and still have, sufficient living space as well. The next photo you're seeing is a photo of the kitchen. Kitchen was fairly tired and dated. The next photo you're seeing is a photo of bedroom one. That was the existing bedroom. The next photo you're seeing is a photo of the bathroom. Again, very tired, very dated. For some reason, they had a boxing bag in the bathroom as well. No idea why. Now, this was one of our first projects. Normally what happens is when agents send us properties, the first thing we tend to look at is the floor plan and does it work, will it work? So in this example, the kitchen was small, 5.75 square meters, but when I was there, I genuinely felt, well actually I think I can get a double bed in here. So the first photo you're seeing is a photo of the open plan kitchen diner. We tend to use an interior designer just because we want to maximize the space. So we really incorporate the lighting, the space, and the furniture at the size and where it actually goes. Now this has everything included. It has a dishwasher, it has an under the counter fridge. Again, in the bedroom, we managed to get in a double bed, bedside cabinets, a small desk and chair, and a wardrobe as well. Photo 6 is of the bedroom that we converted. So it's the converted kitchen into the bedroom. And again, we managed to get in a bed, bedside cabinet, and the wardrobe was actually, massive. It was way too big for this particular room, but once it was in, we didn't really want to take it out. And luckily for us, when the surveyor came out, we still got the valuation based on a two-bedroom apartment. The next photo is of the bathroom. As you can see, it looks so much better. It was really nice to see this actually when it was completed. The final photo that you're seeing is a photo that when you open the door, you can see the renovation taking place of Battersea Power Station. Now, this was one of the reasons we really liked this apartment. It was in a great location. It was literally less than a 5-minute walk from the nearest station. There's lots of development, regeneration going on around this particular area. There's going to be a new Northern Line that opens up soon, and once that does, that'll increase the price of this apartment as well. So I just wanted to run through the financials on this particular project. So the purchase price was £237,150. Stamp duty was £9,357. The legal fees were £3,267. The bridging costs were £21,196. Between the period of the works finishing and the refinance onto the buy-to-let mortgage, we did have some short-term bookings, and they were £12,390. The refurbishment costs came out at £29,700, and the furniture and other costs came out at £8,464. Total costs for this particular project were £296,744.69. We refinanced this after having held the property for 6 months onto a buy-to-let mortgage. So when the surveyor came out, he valued the property at £320,000, and also we managed to get 80% loan to value on the refinance, and we had £256,482 come in. In terms of the money left in, we had about £40,000 left in this particular apartment. So when you look at the rent per annum and the purchase price, it gives a gross yield of 8.86%. And when you look at the return on your investment, which is one of the key metrics that we look at, the return was 26%. One of the things that we like to do is compare our projects to what, for example, a normal buy-to-let investor might do. A normal buy-to-let investor in London, for example, they tend to just want a safe haven to park their monies. They are looking for capital appreciation. So cash flow for them is less of a concern, but they're more looking for the capital appreciation. So if we look at a normal buy-to-let investor, assuming this was a 2-bedroom apartment at £320,000, they would have had to put down a deposit of £80,000. The stamp duty would have been £15,600, legal fees £1,350, and the furniture costs would have been about £4,000. We've included furniture costs just because we furnish ours, so we just wanted to compare like with like. That means the buy-to-let investor would have needed £100,000. Again, if you look at, for example, the rent per annum and the mortgage payments, the return on investment is 11%. So what we also look at is the multiple. So in terms of a normal buy-to-let investor, for every 1 apartment they can buy, we can buy 2.5. So how did I find this apartment? So I actually found this apartment on Rightmove. It was with an agency called Express Estate Agency. They're a Manchester-based agency online, and usually they tend to have people that are a bit more motivated. So people that are willing to take more of a discount on the price. So I purchased this apartment on a bridge, and I'm going to do another video actually that talks about bridging and why we use bridging. How did I refinance this apartment? So on this particular apartment actually, there was a title restriction, which meant that the previous owner had purchased this apartment under right to buy. So for example, if we wanted to sell the apartment, then we would have to go to the council and they would have the first right of refusal. And they were the terms under which the apartment was sold to the current owner. So what that meant was that a lot of lenders actually didn't like that because it kind of adds another step, another layer. But we did manage to find a lender that was happy on this particular apartment, and we managed to get 80% loan to value. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you've got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if there's any videos you'd like me to make, please comment them down below. I'll try and help where I can. Thanks, bye.